Unahin natin yung bisita natin. Huwag kang mag-alala. Merong matitira sa isda. Kailangan talaga yung actual birth certificate, not copy. The roofs are outdated, eh? I guess the shingles and all that needs to be replaced.
It's tar and gravel.
It's a project, eh?
Yes.
Down here?
Yeah.
So, one of these... How long was it vacant for? See?
Yeah, boy.
Nandito tayo sa Bailo Foods. Tayo ng pwedeng bango na agad. Pwedeng maiihaw. Steak na lang. Kumuha tayo ng pita bread tsaka itong chicken na lang siguro. Adobo. Dalawa. Adobo. Ito na lang. Dalkin 57. Adobo natin. Yan, ilang item to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 46.88. Yan. Wala namang anong tax. Tingnan natin, musok. Steak. Lagyan ko ng Ajinomoto, konti. Para ma-enhance yung flavor. Konti lang. Okay, salt puppy. Yan, isang pinch lang. Ito na siguro to. Ayan. Hindi ko naman masyadong lutong-lutong. Ito na. Tayo natin yung gas. Yan. Yan, hiwa-hiwain natin to. Tapos lagay natin sa pita bread. Natin sa gitna. Medium rare. Score tayo ng pita bread. Lagyan natin ng ito. Lagyan natin ng 2, 3, 4, 5. At ang isa. 6. Natin ang Ishago artichoke. Yan. Yan. Kinain ko na yung kalahati. May and kale salad, steak, Asiago artichoke dip, tsaka pita bread. Ayan. Sarap. Ayan. Kainin ko na lang to. Tuwang ko lang ulit. Just listed dito sa British Church. Hello! Yeah. Safe eh. Alright. Start with this one. So, how long was it vacant for?
By the sounds of it, a couple months.
Oh yeah.
They had renters in here before.
Okay.
Right.
Both units
Yeah.
or just the one?
Well, just a house in total.
Right.
It's not technically a suite downstairs. There is a kitchen down there.
Oh,
But
okay.
It's only kind of partly.
Yeah, it's
set up.
partial, it says, right?
Yeah. Yeah. So we didn't list it as it having a basement suite, but it does have that kitchen down there.
Yeah.
And if it was rented out, it would be probably more like kind of a studio. There's not really a bedroom downstairs.
Right. It's like a one bedroom type of, or yeah.
Yeah, there's kind of like a living room, kitchen, ish windows for upstairs here. 2.5 bath.
2.5.
Yeah, so you got the ensuite, 2-piece bathroom there as well.
Downstairs?
No, in here.
Oh, in here.
And then there's a 3-piece downstairs, so there's an actual shower and all that as well.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Lower windows, I guess, a little bit. Couple years. Eh?
Yeah, they'd be able to use. Some of the windows downstairs haven't been updated by the looks of things.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. All right, let's take a look at this. Yeah.
It had, it was just a couple there. They ended up renting out part of it and everything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so over
Okay.
here, there's actually like more of a den area, all that.
Okay, there's no. Okay. Oh, they never finished it up. It's a project, eh?
Yes.
Down here.
Yeah.
So one of these. There's the washroom for this one. It's I guess in there.
Yeah, so that'll be through this door here. I'll let you in.
Okay, good. Oh, okay. It's a weird door. They're putting in here.
I know. Yeah, the way they have it set up.
Yeah, it should have been like swing it over there.
Exactly. Yeah, so it's kind of shared laundry, and then these two doors would be kind of locked off. And
Oh.
this is where they would enter in, because they can get in through the back.
All right. Yeah, I guess the door they use it for just to keep the renters downstairs,
Yeah,
not
exactly.
going on top. All right. It's got potential. Let's get this for the pets, I guess.
Yeah,
And this is the washroom.
yeah.
Now, how old is the furnace? Or
Don't know. They didn't have that one.
okay.
But home inspector, they'll be able to read the material.
Right.
Check that out.
It's got these are all working appliances, I guess.
Yeah.
There's got the microwave in there. And this is like a rec room or living room or some sort.
Yeah, and then that's why it would be kind of more like a studio or like rental or bachelor rental,
Right.
that kind of thing. Just because after the locked door here, it's just kind of this area, so there's not really an actual bedroom.
All right. Port. Okay. And this is a newer this machine. It work. Do you have any questions, Sheila? What about here? Oh man, look. The roofs are outdated, eh? I guess the shingles and all that needs to be replaced.
It's tar and gravel.
Yeah. There's even something in there. Alright. Got the... take a look. Yeah, basement kitchen. This is where the master bedroom is? Was? Okay. And that's the washroom. Okay. Ah, interesting. Alright.
It almost looks like like in a little addition or something.
Yeah, it's like a mud room or something.
Yeah.
Have one handyman, and it was great. Until it
Ito
started
may
to
park
fit.
dito.
Then something happens and you're kind of fine.
Right.
You need to have a few different handyman. You have an AC person, a roofer, electrician, plumber, heater, all of the a lot of them. I just have that on my still recently, but now I have a lot.
Yeah.
So another thing to do is having a airtight lease and doing background and
Kinutay kay
credit
Ken
checks.
McElroy.
Slightly touched
Ayun,
on,
may
digging about
basketball court din dito.
Couple grand.
Ano?
The way you need to look at this, it's a 24,000.
Mahilig sa steak si Esme. Kaya napatakbo tayo. Mabilis lang naman lutuin. Tatlo is $18. Ano, it's not bad, I guess. Isa yung mag-stay ka sa sa Montanas. $30. Mas tax, so mag-tip ka pa. 8 ounce lang, malit lang. Yan, okay na to. Hi, we just came up from the swimming pool. Wanna say something?
We're getting Dairy Queen.
Dairy Queen, milkshake. I'm gonna order here first from the app. Then we'll go inside. Yan, kumuha tayo ng putin. Yan yung rewards. Ice cream sandwich. And then I have drinks for our throat para malamigan yung throat natin, tsaka milkshake, tsaka putin. Sa $20 lahat to. $20. $8.49, $5.69, $5.69. Yan. Ano? Daming dandelions.
The next day.
Ayan o, nag-renew tayo ng passport, ng child passport under 16. So, every 5 years ang child passport. But you have to have a birth certificate. Nagpunta ako, may appointment na ako and everything. And then I have to go get my birth certificate, the birth certificate of my child. Kasi kahit may old passport, ng Canadian passport, kailangan talaga yung actual birth certificate, not copy. And then I photocopy just in case, but yeah, they just looked at it, and then they didn't keep the old passport. So I don't know what they're gonna do. Anyways, yeah, that's it. For pag-purpose ng renewal, I did my online, and then so I waited first thing in the morning, and then yun, I have to go back to my house and grab the birth certificate. Even though there's a portion there saying yung registration number ng birth certificate and everything, because we just copied it off from the previous application, right? And the only change it had is yung kanyang height. Yeah, so yung age is just automatic naman sa May, sa birthday niya, di ba? So yan. So daan tayo dito sa court. Big court. Daming namamasyal ng mga homeless eh. So yung kailangan lang dun sa parents, since common law kami, iba yung name ni Esme. So may tatawag daw na baka just to verify. At saka may reference number. So kailangan ng driver's license. Yan, mag-samosa tayo. Ano to, $8 sa 6. So $1.25 each. Ginagawa ko, pinapainit ko lang. May chutney siya. Wala yung may green eh. Yung green na manghang. Parang chop pepper, green pepper ata yun. Pero masarap. Ito matamis eh, yung chutney. Tamarind chutney. Ayan, potatoes, tsaka peas. Sarap. Ayan, barbecue natin to. Inunan ko sa bulgogi sauce. Inarinate. Tapos may kalamansi na nasa bote para lasang inasalba. Bigyan natin. Kanya na muna. Tapos saka natin ayusin. Mabubukan naman yun eh. Ayan. Ay, nako. Talaga ayusin lahat. Yan. Oops. Hindi yata nalagyan to. Bale. Nilasa na yan. Tapos ito, buksan natin. Buksan ang pinto. Ang nakasaradong pinto. Tahimik ang trabaho. May message. Which is good, I guess. But Kung ano nangyayari dun sa collective bargaining agreement namin, meron na ata silang meeting. Yan. Yun. Bigyan natin. Yan. Para mas malasa. Okay. So, yan. Ang ating lunch. Talagang pagdating pa ng bahay, magluluto pa ng lunch. Tsaka magsaing pa. A few minutes later. Hindi pa. Maya pa. Yan, okay na to. Babaliktad na natin. May kwento yun eh. Babaliktad. Sa atin eh, maunang ang bisita kumain eh. So sabi ng nanay doon sa bata, anak, huwag ka muna kumain. Dahil paunahin natin yung bisita natin. Huwag ka mag-alala. Meron matitira sa isda. Kasi mahihiya yan ibabaliktad. Yung sa top ba, kinakain nila. Yung nakasilip yung bata. Tapos biglang naubos yung top. Tapos ibabaliktad nung bisita. Biglang sumigaw yung bata. Nay! Binabaliktad na po! Pick up tayo ng part sa storage. It's 3:16 in the afternoon. Kanina maaraw, tapos biglang maulap na ngayon. Oh my God. Anong simula ng, ayan, muulan na. Simula na ng, ang Victoria Day, Victoria Long Weekend, usually is simula ng summer dito sa Canada. But it's gonna be a short one. And hopefully walang forest fire, Yan. So, yan, dito sa Canada, hindi mo talaga alam eh. 1 minute maaraw, ngayon umuulan. Talagang lang ako, pumasok lang ako sa school, mag-service. Tapos pagka labas ko, ang lakas na ng ulan. Ayan, very unpredictable ang weather, So,